Our law firm has a tag, "We solve problems," and it really reflects a lot of years of dealing with problems. I became a lawyer because the rule of law is the dominant source of decisions in this country. And I came to Colorado because a combination of it seemed like a land of opportunity which was not locked in history. It was a land where you could achieve on your own. And I love to ski. So those are kind of the two reasons for coming here. After I came here to attend law school, and then I got a Juris Doctor's degree, which is behind me, and I got a second master's degree. The first one was from Cornell, the second one was from the University of Denver. I do business law, civil law. In business law, you're dealing with people who are motivated to do something with their lives. And as you help them achieve that, you're solving whatever the problems, or helping to solve whatever problems come up as you're going along. And I've probably tried 100 cases. A lot of cases. When you've been doing this for 50 years, you can do a lot of cases. So that theme that I talked about has dominated through the years, and then I have a fancy little prop here. We just celebrated my 50th year of practicing law in April, so I've been doing this a while.
I first worked with Ted back in 2015. We were dealing with a complicated situation with a landlord, and there being mold in our office space. So he was really able to kind of take us through what I consider the rabbit hole of that world and get us to a resolution where I was able to leave that lease and he helped us buy this new space. We didn't want to leave, we didn't want to leave our space, but he set it up so that when it turned out things didn't work out the way they needed to with the cleaning, that we were able to, and that we weren't stuck and having to deal with essentially the consequences of breaking the lease.
I come from a very modest family, and my mother every month sent $5 to the Maryknoll Missions. We didn't have squat, but every month she sent that $5. So it was burned into my consciousness that you will help others. And what did I do? I finished college. 2 days later, I went in the Peace Corps. And I spent 2.5 years in the Peace Corps in West Africa, teaching elementary school and doing community development. This scar in my finger is where I ran a piece of steel in, so I always have it happens to be on the wrong finger, but it's a piece of steel as a memento of my time. So that's why I'm doing this, and that's why We Solve Problems is a tagline and a theme that has carried through these some 50 years.